Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick update what I've added to the guest / office room. It's really coming along really nice now. So I got these new bed sheets from Next. This is the satin 100% cotton, which is really lovely, really soft. And I got this nice cream cover, which is from Amazon, which I really love. I'm thinking of getting some new cushions, but these cushions are temporary for now. But yeah, I just like something simple, which I really love. And I've added this new calendar, which I really love. So when I'm sitting down, I'm always looking on the dates of the schedules that I've got planned. So yeah, I really love this one. And I'm loving my new frames, which are from Amazon. So I really love them too. Put everything in the link in the description box down below. And then I am loving my new clothing rack, guys, that I put together. I really love this one. So yeah, I'm gonna add some new clothes on here and then add some shoes and bags. But I do have some bit of toys for my little boy, so he tends to grab a few toys in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that there. And yeah guys, I really love how it's coming along, and I am loving my new lampshade that I got from Amazon, which I really love. And I'm just loving like all the patterns to this. When you put the lights on, it just gives that nice extra brightness. So yeah guys, I'm absolutely loving it. Very cozy and comfy. So yeah guys, and guys, I am loving this beautiful portable light that can just take anywhere in the room. It is so handy. I love all the colors. It just changes so many lovely colors. So yeah, this is from Amazon. First, I want to share with you some things that I got. So I got a couple from Amazon and a couple from Next. So yeah, I will start off with the Next. So I did open it before because I knew if I tried to open this with my nails, it would literally just crack. So I thought before I film the video, I'm going to pre-open it and I'm going to have a peek inside before I share with you guys. So yeah, I did open it. But yeah, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my god, these are just gorgeous for my kitchen. But yeah, I keep meaning to have these because I really want a few mugs. I do want to get another 2 more. So yeah, came in a Next box. So yeah, these are the cups. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? So it's like this really nice ceramic mug, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if you can see, but the texture in here is just perfect. I love the nice neutral tone to it, and it's definitely one of those cozy vibes, especially autumn is like here soon. So I can't wait to drink my hot chocolate in here. I'm just definitely can't wait. So I really love this one. And then I have another one. How beautiful is this, guys? Like, this is literally, it just feels so soft and I really love it. So it does have a different color. I don't know if you can actually see, but it's a different type of shade color. This is more of a darky brown. This is more of a light one. So yeah, I really love it. So I'm going to get another 2 more sets of these. But yeah, these are from Next. So perfect for my kitchen. And yeah, so what else have I got? So I also, because I keep meaning to have some plates, so I got 4. It comes in 4. Yes, it does come in 4. So yeah, as you can see, it comes in 4. I have took one out before. Here's a preview of what the shape is. How cute, guys. Like, it's just a perfect size for pastas, for noodles, or whatever you want to cook in here. But I'm super excited. You don't know how much I get so excited with plates. I love anything kitchen stuff. So I've just received some new things from Next and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So this have just come in, my new sets of plates. So I do have the pasta bowls. So this one comes in 4 dinner plates, 4 side plates and 4 bowls. So yeah, this is the Novo Coupe 12-piece dinner set. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try these, and it's definitely microwavable, which is really good. Okay guys, so these are the plates. I really love them. So it definitely gives it a nice simple vibe. Like, I really like this bowl. Like, this is super cute, really good size, and I just wanted something simple, you know, something simple and plain and white, which I really love. But yeah, this is really cute. I really do love the size to these. So yeah, you got your pasta bowls, dinner plate, side plates, and your bowls. Perfect. What else am I going to share with you guys? Oh, these are my favorites. So these are from Amazon, and I definitely wanted some new ones. These, so like I said, I'm going to open it. It's already been opened. So I have these gorgeous ribbed glasses. So as you can see, there's like 4 of them. I don't know if you can actually see, but I love the texture to these. These are going to be so nice with my smoothies and iced coffees and whatever I want to drink in here. I'm super excited. And then it also comes with 4 glass straws. So I really love these ones. I love the curve. So it does have a curve one and like just a normal straight one. Does have a brush. I do have the other bigger brush in the other side, which I have put it away, but it actually just cleans all the glasses. But yeah guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, definitely check these out. These are on my Amazon storefront, so you can go and check it out. Let me see. But yeah guys, how beautiful is this? So yeah, definitely really cute. Love it. So yeah, I definitely love these glasses. Very elegant. So yeah, definitely check that out on Amazon storefront. So also I got from Amazon is this ribbed vase, which I really love. Definitely looks nice. I love the fox flowers, and they actually really feel real, so I really like this. So yeah, definitely is perfect for my kitchen. And yeah guys, absolutely love it. Definitely goes nice with the glasses, or it does look like the glasses. So I absolutely am obsessed with the ribs right now. But yeah, all from my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. And also I got from Next. See, I knew I'd forgotten something. I got this cute Next Collection Looks bed sheet, and it's the double 100% cotton thread cams, which I really love the packaging to this. So that's what it looks like. So guys, that is everything that I've shown you. I really hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to check out my favorite skincare products that I'm currently loving right now, which is called Upcircle Beauty. You can get 15% off of everything, and they are available for all skin types, certified organic, 100% natural vegan. Definitely check it out and use my discount codes. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.